Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
So blessed, pray for me, Madura for me, pray I find my way.
Peanuts, come and say hi. Say hi. This is Peanuts. Say hi. 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 Oh, look at you. You're so cute. This is not my dog, but he's in the family. He's so cute. He's a little happy-head chihuahua. Look at him. Look at him. You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come a little mama, let me rub up on your belly. Yeah, yeah. Let me rub up on your belly. Come a little mama, let me rub up on your belly. Yeah, rub up on your belly. Hey FamBam, welcome back. If this is my channel, welcome. My name is Esther J, and I sound nasally because I'm trying to channel 95, but in a thicker, nasally kind of voice, okay? Anyway, so I was kind of, going through my Insta story the other day, and you and I know, if you don't know already, you know that Jaclyn Hill's new collection with Morphe brushes has launched. So basically, I was going through Insta story, and I was on Auntie Fumi's Insta story. Fumi the Salivo, if you don't know her already, up car. I was on Insta story, and then she was showing like PR packages, the PR package she received from Jaclyn Hill, from the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe collection brushes. Why am I saying all these stories? Long story short, I saw this photo, oh, my screen is cracked. Ignore it, it's okay. And yes, I'm using 7 Plus, don't care. All right, I saw this photo. Basically, this is on the PR package, and I really love that makeup. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I wanna try and recreate this. So I've got 2 palettes out already. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riveira palette and also the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. It looks like it was created by Lipstick Nick as well, because her act is right there. It's got a nice purple in the outer corner right there, and also in the crease. And the lid itself is more, it looks like a wet orange kind of shade, so it's not really matte. I don't know how I'm gonna create that wet look because I don't have like a metallic type of orange. I don't think I do, but I do have a matte type of orange right here. So we're just gonna create something that's similar to it anyway. I love purple, if you don't know already. But if you're new to my channel yet, subscribe yet to join the FamBam, please subscribe down below or get a notification so that we don't miss out on a single video from me. Alright, let's jump into this video, okay? Okay, so I am excited. I was supposed to film yesterday, but I was so lazy. Honestly, you just have one of those days where you just don't want to do anything. And I've been having a lot of those days, to be honest with you. Anyway, today is a new day. We're doing it. This concealer is finishing, and I am sad because I don't want to keep buying, but I have to because I love this concealer. This is a L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer in the shade 338 Honey. Alright, I just trimmed my brows with Veet. Judge me, that's okay, don't care. All right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and prep my lid with as much concealer as I can get. I'm not doing my brows yet. I'm gonna try this today. I see a lot of people not doing their brows and they just go ahead and do their eyeshadow. I kind of found that interesting. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm just gonna shape it like we cleaned up the brow that we've already done, you know what I mean? I'm also gonna try and do a foundation test today on the new NYX Born to Glow foundation. I've got it in the shade Cappuccino. I'm gonna film it straight after this, hopefully. All right, there we go. We're just gonna do one eye. Should I do both at the same time? I hope this works out. I hope, me not doing my brows first doesn't turn into a disaster. Because if it does, I'm gonna go under every comment section of every photo or video that I've seen that I've done this and say, you lied to me. Yeah, but a good time, I won't be doing that. Alright, so we can do this. I really like this makeup look. I don't know what is extraordinary about it, but I really like it. Do you see that? Look at it through my cracked screen.
That's me. That's me and your cracked phone.
So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills ABH. So this is the ABH Riviera palette, right? So I'm gonna go with the shade Cans. I'm picking up oh, good boy, you're in your crate. All right, so this is the Morphe M321 brush. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the crease, just gradually. I'm gonna go a little bit higher than my normal crease, actually. I'm gonna go right on the bone, right there. Little bone. So I'm just putting this in my crease, holding the brush at the tip on the end right there and just blending this out. And then you see I'm mainly focusing on the outer crease, this part right here, before I go all the way in, because I want to make sure I have a nice blend. I'm always brushing my eyeshadows, so most of the time it doesn't look blended, especially when I'm like frustrated. I'm just like, get me out of here, get me out. looks like it's winged out as well. Interesting. I'm gonna pack a few here in the outer corner, one in the outer corner there, and I'm just gonna wing it out a little bit. All right, so I'm grabbing this Morphe M213 brush. Just a nice little detailed brush. I think that might be too tiny, but we're just gonna move, okay? And I'm just gonna use this to define the crease. I'm just gonna apply it here, just to have a more defined shade in the crease. Basically, it's like I'm cutting the crease, you know, but not really. It's literally just in this crate. I didn't even tell him to go in there. Crate training is the best, honestly. All right, I think I'm good. Okay, I'm gonna pick up this concealer again. I'm supposed to be doing both eyes at the same time, but oh well. My ear keeps blocking. Peanut, you're disturbing me. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of cut the crease, but right below that shade. Peanut, stop it! I think it just likes the sound. I'm not taking it all the way. I'm doing it like I'm gonna leave a quarter left. Oopsie, it's gone too high, so high. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna grab the brush in the ABH palette. This one right here, I'm gonna use the smudger side of things. And I'm just going to blend this out a little bit more. So I'm gonna grab the brush I used earlier, the M330, but I'm just using the tip and just deposit a bit of purple in the crease. I'm gonna use the brush to actually blend the edge of the concealer out without picking up too much of the wet products. Look at that. Now we blend it out like a powder. I love that. I'm gonna pick up that purple and deposit it right here. I've put way too much purple here. I love purple. I can't stop myself most of the time. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Monte Carlo, this sort of salmon shade, and just use it to blend the crease. I love that. Look at that. That change it gave. So now we're going into the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. I'm gonna pick up the shade. Oh, not that one. This kind of orangey shade. I think the camera is blowing it out. It is more orangey than usual. Yeah. Then I'm gonna use the Anastasia brush just to smudge the side, pick up that orange shade and just pack it on top of that concealer. Okay, close enough. I'll switch to the concealer brush. It gives me more control when I come to the edge right here. Alright, that's beautiful. I wish this would look a bit more wet, but it won't, and that's okay. I'm gonna pick that up and just blend the edge. Alright, I think I'm alright with that. Now we're gonna do a wing. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. wing liner. I should really throw this out. So she did a big wing. Alright, we're gonna start with the inner corner. I'm gonna draw the top first. I'm going up this way. Just connect the dots, draw out the tip. And now fill it in. All right, I'm okay with that. Listen, I'm gonna stop there. All right, let's stop there. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do something I wasn't really gonna do my brows on camera. Let's go ahead and do it, especially after we've, like, you know, done all of this, you know. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna be using the ABH Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm using the Inglot. Oh, sorry. I'm using the Inglot 312 brush. This is interesting. Okay, I'm gonna be doing this quite a lot. Wow, it didn't take me a long time at all. All right, so for the brow bone, I'm gonna pick up the shade, I think I want Estate. Picking up the shade Estate, this one right here. I'm just gonna, you know, put it on the brow bone. All right, we love that. We love that, okay? We love that. I'm gonna go ahead and do, I've only done one eye. Oh my God, I was supposed to be doing it. Oh my goodness. I was supposed to be doing it at the same time. All right, I'm gonna use this lashes. This is by Bocage Beauty. This is in the style Naomi. So, I just realized that my mic hasn't been working throughout this video. I apologize. This look is fine though. You know what? We're gonna focus on the positive, and that is this look is nice. Okay, and I still haven't done the other eye. Oh my gosh, oh well. So now I'm gonna, what was that? I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line, and I'm still using that same concealer, the Laura Infallible Monoxide concealer. This audio is going to be terrible. Anyway, I'm going to use the concealer brush, and I'm just going to apply this in my lower lash line. I'm going to bring it down a bit as well. I'm trying not to focus on the fact that my audio is not working. I really am trying. Just going to grab a more fluffy brush and just blend things out a bit. Alright, so I went back to the video that Morphe posted on their Instagram, and I took a screenshot of this look right here from the video. Just to... Peanuts! Just to see the lower lash line, and lo and behold, it is what I think it would be. Basically just imitating what's at the top at the bottom, basically. So that's what we're gonna do. And my tear duct is overacting again. My tear duct is it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. All right, so we're going to grab the smudger brush from ABH, and I'm gonna grab that purple shade, the shade Cans that we use in the Riveira palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and smudge it to my lower lash line. I'm also trying not to, like, you know, disturb my waterline too much, because my eyes get real teary real fast. Alright, so I'm going to grab that orange shade from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to use that little detailer brush and just pick up that orange shade. Peanut. Yeah, you hit your head. Yeah, that's what happens when you're... That's none of your business. Don't get in my basket. Come. It's okay, sit here. Sit on my lap. You want to sleep, that's why. I'm just going to line my waterline. Alright, I'm also going to put that orange in my waterline. But I think I'm going to do that later because my waterline and my tear duct or whatever is very watery right now. So I'm going to do that later. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and bronze a bit. Like, oh, this is broken a bit. This is the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami bronzer. Bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. Gonna do the nose with the Shop Miss Studio E137 brush. Alright, I need a blush to blush my face. I'm using the e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Dark. I'm gonna use this shade right here, which is more of a lighter pink, like a salmon color, right above the bronzer. Put a bit of that blush right here, because you know, we like a blushy nose. Oh yeah, not too much though. We don't want to go Doja Cat level. We just want to stay Nicki Tutorials level. Alright. Now, if my tear duct can stop watering now, it will be chef's kiss. Now, what lip do you do with looks like this, huh? What lip do you do? This is, yep. This is Primark Matte Liquid Lipstick in a shade. Does it even have a shade? I don't think it's got a shade. It's just got a number on it. And I know you guys want to know the shade, you know, because you're gagging for it. It's got a number, PS665700. It's like a grey brown. Alright, I'm just gonna apply. Ooh. I'm gonna use the AOA Studio Liquid Lipstick in the shade Work It. I need a glass of water. I'm gonna apply this in the center. Dab. Okay. Oh, my eyes watering again. Do you see this? Do you see that? It's watering again. I cannot. I literally cannot. I need to find the right eye drops to use because I can't. Every time I do a look, it happens all the time. This is the Jar Cosmetics Style Powder highlighter in the shade Bridget. I love this highlighter. You guys not know it. Should I do highlighter? Oh God, that's so watery. Oh goodness gracious. Yes. Oh. That's okay. That ain't no problem. Alright, so here we go, all done. Now, I couldn't figure out what was going on with my audio recording, so let's just ignore that, and I still apologize for the audio. Now I'm just using my phone for the audio, okay? And also another thing, ignore the tear duct area right here, because my eyes been watering. My eyes, both of them, has been watering like crazy, and I can't speak, and I'm trying to focus on it. But overall, I like the way the look turned out. I like the color combination, honestly. Orangish color, salmon color, and purple, they just look so good together, and I really love it. Ooh, love it. I also love this lashes, girl. So I feel good overall. It's just my overactive tear duct, my watery waterline, and my audio that's kind of trying to mess me up a bit, but we're not going to focus on that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, babes. Let me know what you think in the comments down below about this look. I think we did a good job in emulating the, you know, Jaclyn Hill look. I think it looks pretty close, right? I'll put it on the screen. I think it does. Yeah, I think it does. Even the waterline as well, I think it does. We just didn't fuse it out with an orange. Let me see if I can do that. Oh, this outro is a mess. So I'm picking up the orange in there. Huda Beauty palette. Let's add more orange right here. Oh, my eye's watering again. It's watering again. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at that. You see all those crackly bits? It's because, well, listen. I cannot come and kill myself, okay? Anyway, thanks for watching, babes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this look. And I'm talking so fast again, I don't know why. Oh my god, I'm just so anxious, I think. Anyway, as I said, thanks for watching. Oh my god, look at that. Anyway, as always, for everything to love yourself, and by God's grace I pray, I'll see you in my very next video. Bye.